ranking without Mario characters. So let's go. The Bowser Jr. I'll give your... No, I'm not giving you T. I'm giving you T. Donkey Kong, I'll give your B. Come on, let me just right. Nope, I'm not ranking your T. I'm ranking your B. Yours. Okay, from okay. No. Oh, okay. So what I'm gonna, I'm choosing D, I guess. Something like that. Oh, let's choose from B as from Stocky. So here's your swipe. Skating over just down. Come on, I'm trying. Goomba! Oh my lord. R. B. No, that's actually B. Sorry about that. Sure, guy. I'll give you this. Let's go for S. This, but I hate this temple rope. Rosalina, I'll give you S. I'll give you S. Mario, I guess I'll give you S. I'm giving you S. Paulin, I'm choosing your T because thing. Choose your B. King Boo, nice. I'll choose a new itself. Nothing. Piranha Plant. This. This thing. Yep. Let's go for. Let's go for B, I guess. Toad L. Let's go for T, I guess. Luigi. I'll guess you're A. Daisy. I don't like Daisy. I need on the. Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay. So, Peach, I'll give you B. No, I'll give you D. Okay, damn it. Okay. Yoshi. What is his last Yoshi? Gives from A, I guess. Bro. I'll give you B. Mario. And D last form Waluigi and Wario. Bowser? No. Oh gosh. Bowser, you are the best. Wait, I'll give you S. S ranker. Good job. Melt Peach, I'll give you A, I guess. Look at that thing. I'll give you C, Noel baby. Melt Mario. I'll give you A. Yo, I don't like that Koopalings. I don't like Koopalings. I don't like Koopalings. Cool, that's impressive. Every Sonic games ever. That's right. Sonic Sega Jensen. I'll give you C. That's Game Boy. Tails and the Music Maker. B. Sonic Jam. Good. A. Sonic Unleashed Mobile. Oh my. Give your B. Cool. Sonic CD. I'll give your D. Sonic Pinball Play. Sonic Attack Game Boy. Oh. Sonic Advance. I'll give your C. Oh, Sonic Rewrite. Cool. I'll give for A. Impressive. Sonic 2. My god, that's lag. Okay, I'll give you S. That's very cool. Knuckles Chaotix. Cool, I love Knuckles Chaotix. I really love that game. Whoa. Looks so cool. I'll give you A. Sonic Advance. Yo, I don't know why you got Sonic Advance. Wait, Sonic Advance 2. Wait, Sonic Advance? Impressive. Whoa, Sonic Battle. Oh, I get your S. Oh, Sonic Blast. I'll give you D. Sonic Gems Collection. Yes, I really love Sonic Gems Collection. Sonic Jam. I'll give you A. Sonic Mania. Yes, this is Sonic 6. Oh, Sonic 4. Yep. Wait. That's a Sling of Bats 3 and Sling of Bats show. Let's give that. Sling of Bats. Oh, it's Sling of Bats 2. Oh, sorry. It's Sling of Bats 3 and Sling of Bats. Cool. Oh god, what the heck is that game? Oh yeah, that's those cursed game. Whoa. Okay, that's impressive. Whoa! Sing Adventure. Give your garbage. Oh, Sing Adventure GX. Cool. E, just the E. Oh, the Black Brotherhood. Cool. Oh my god, Sing Free. Ooh, cooler. Sing Unleashed. Man. Oh god, I gotta run. I'm gonna run. Oh, good. D6. Good. Run. Oh, this thing is good. Run. Hey, there's some heroes. Run. Sorry about this.